Kubikwa ukuthi lezi zisebenzi ezimbili ezineminyaka engu-38 no-53 ubudala zikhalakathele emgodini weStamkoko zashonela phakathi ngesikhathi zizama ukuvula ipayipi lendle. Amalungu emndeni ezisulu athi ashaqekile kanti lesi sigameko besingagwemeka.
As a family, in a simple terms, if there was enough support from the responder Masipala, this thing could have been avoided.
This is a shock to us. We didn't expect this. It was very quick.
Inyunyana yezisebenzi zomasipala iSAMU ithi lesi sigameko siwuphawu lwezinkinga eziqhubekayo komasipala eNorthwest ekade yaziphakamisa ukuba kubhekwane nazo kodwa lutho uguquko.
The very same issues that we have been raising throughout in terms of proper tools of trade and proper PPE have led to this situation, and it's something that we cannot take it easy. It's something that we are not happy about it as the union. It's something that we believe that all municipalities in the province must try to do it better.
Umasipala iTshwane uthi usuqale uphenyo lwangaphakathi ngokushona kwezisebenzi zawo ezimbili zisemsebenzini.